People often think they are buying a property. They are actually buying a lifestyle. Privacy, space, coming home after work, and children running into the house. There's peace.
For over $3 million, many buyers today are looking at a brand new condo. But with a similar budget, some families could own a landed home instead.
Condos that have facilities, security, lock and live convenience, whereas landed gives larger living space, greater privacy, more flexibility, and a different way of living. Neither is better. They are simply built for different families. Nobody simply buys a kitchen. They buy the memories that happens inside it.
Who would actually love this house? Young children needing space? Teenagers wanting privacy? Parents moving in? Home office? Family planning for the next chapter? Every room should solve a real need. So, freehold still wins?
Sometimes, every family has different seasons. Young couples, growing families, empty nesters, retirees, investors. There is no perfect property. Only the right property for the right family at the right time.
So, Paul, would you buy this house?
If it suits my family now, yes. People spend years asking whether freehold is better than 99. Very few ask whether this home is right for their family. Because when you start with the people, the right property usually reveals itself.
Then, what's the best property?
The one that you look forward to come home to.